Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's combine 1 cup of warm milk with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast in a bowl. The temperature should be like warm bath water, not too hot, or you'll kill the yeast. Let this mixture rest for 5 minutes until you see some bubbles forming on top, which tells you the yeast is active and happy. Now, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil to our yeast mixture. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. You'll know it's ready when it stops sticking to your hands and has a nice, springy texture. Time for the first rise. Coat the dough with a thin layer of oil to prevent it from drying out. Place it in a warm spot and let it rest for 1 hour. You'll know it's ready when it doubles in size. If you gently poke it with your finger, the indentation should slowly spring back. Let's prepare our custard filling. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 egg yolk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and a pinch of salt. Make sure there are no lumps before you start heating. Nobody wants a lumpy custard. Cook the custard mixture over low heat, stirring constantly. This is where patience is key. Rush it, and you'll end up with scrambled eggs. Keep stirring until it thickens to a pudding-like consistency. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Now, for the fun part. Roll out your dough into a rectangle on a lightly floured surface. Spread the cooled custard evenly, leaving a small border around the edges. Roll it up like a Swiss roll, keeping it tight but gentle. We want neat swirls when we cut it. Place your beautiful rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let them proof for another 30 to 45 minutes until they're puffy and looking proud. This second rise is crucial for achieving that perfect, fluffy texture. Time to prepare for baking. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently brush the rolls with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk for a golden crust, and if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle some almond flakes on top for extra crunch and visual appeal. Into the oven they go for 25 to 35 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color, not too pale, not too dark. The kitchen will start smelling amazing about halfway through, but resist the urge to open the oven door too early. For the finishing touch, brush some melted butter over the warm rolls. This gives them a lovely shine and keeps the crust soft. Let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. I know it's tempting to dig in right away, but your tongue will thank you for waiting. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.